Oh, g'day guys, my name's Pilla and we're going to go for a drive around my farm to check out the automated irrigation. So hold on tight and brace yourself for a little bit of a tech adventure. The reason to go to automated irrigation, when I look at this, it was an investment in something that was going to work for 365 days of the year when I wanted it to. It doesn't take holidays. Basically, you program it in to start your pumps, to open your valves, to change valves through a schedule or through end-of-row sensors. We have safety setups in there, so if there's a problem, it will just update it and say, well, that one's not working, let's jump to the next one in the schedule. You don't have a shutdown irrigation, not losing time. This documents when I've irrigated, how much water I've put on, then it'll actually calculate to do with water holding capacity of the soil, the solar radiation during the days, and will let me know when I'm due to irrigate again. I don't have to visual check, I don't have to do out there doing measurements like I used to do on tensiometers and that soil moisture probes. I don't have to worry about the irrigation side. Once I've set it up, it's set and forget in that sense. It'll tell me if something's wrong. It saved me on employing someone, it saved me time, it saved me getting up at night time. Well, we might duck off for a week, well, I can have that irrigating while I'm away. I go down to Brisbane for meetings, I can check it from Brisbane. Typically farmers have always been hard workers and still are, but why can't we have it a little bit easier at times? Why can't we make it work for us? Simplify some of our jobs. In that case, you have to be out there changing sets. You don't have to be running around checking on things. You can have equipment, technology that's doing it for you.